Hey guys, I'm back with another very unique, interesting, and yet simple sliced roll cut kulfi, which is quite traditional and it's known for its creaminess and richness. So, without further ado, let's begin. So, here I've taken 1 liter of full fat milk in a heavy bottom pan. Try using a full fat milk only for a creamier kulfi. Let it come to a good boil. Once boiled, let it cook on low to medium flame until it starts getting thicker. So while it's getting thicker, meanwhile we can start doing our other preparation. So next up in a bowl here I'm taking 1 tablespoon of custard powder along with 1 tablespoon of corn flour. You can use either of them, but I'm using both of them for that perfect creamy texture and flavor. To this I'm going to add 1/4 cup of milk. This is at room temperature. You can use chilled milk also. Mix it nicely and keep it aside. Now let's check the milk. The milk has started turning thicker. We need to cook it for some more time. Meanwhile, here I have taken a small pan. To this I am going to add half a cup of sugar. We are going to make caramel out of this. To this I am adding just a tablespoon of water and let it melt on low flame. So let it cook and do not disturb in between. And if you want, you can keep rotating the pan in between for that perfect golden brown caramel color. So after about 3 to 4 minutes, you can see this beautiful caramel is ready. Now very carefully add this to the milk and keep mixing. So in the beginning, you'll see some lumps, but gradually the caramel will dissolve in the milk. But just be careful while adding the caramel because the milk will fluff up. You can see this beautiful golden brown color of the kulfi. This is because of the caramel we have used. Now for sweetness also I'm adding half a cup of sugar and mix that as well. And next I'm adding this corn flour and custard powder slurry. Add it gradually and keep mixing it all the while so that no lumps are seen. If you want, you can also use a whisk here. Keep mixing it and cooking it and then cook on low to medium flame for about 4 to 5 minutes or until the mixture has turned thick enough. You can see it has nice coating consistency. Keep this aside for now. Next up, we'll prepare some instant mawa. For this, in a small pan, I've taken around 1 teaspoon of clarified butter or ghee. To this, I'm adding 1/4 cup of milk along with half a cup of milk powder. Yes, this is very easily available in the market. Mix it and then I'm going to turn on the flame. Keep mixing it and cooking it on low to medium flame until it's completely thickened and becomes lumpy. So friends, this step of making mawa is completely optional as I told you, but it makes the kulfi more creamier and richer. So you can see this instant mawa is ready. We are going to add this in the milk mixture. Ooh, it's looking so creamy already. And next for flavoring, I'm adding some cardamom powder and mix it well. If you want, you can also add some saffron here. So this is the basic kulfi mixture ready. If you want, you can set this mixture as it is also if you like little grainy texture. But if you want the smooth texture, then you can beat it a bit. So this smooth and creamy mixture is ready. I'm going to add this into this broad glasses for setting. You can use any other containers or even kulfi molds or even ice trays for setting. Cover it with the cling wrap to avoid crystallization and freeze it overnight. Let's check. Our roll cut kulfi is perfectly set. Let's loosen it, demold it, and then I'm going to cut this into slices. You can see how creamy and rich it has turned out. Let me show you the texture also. Isn't it rich and perfect? So guys, I hope you enjoyed this wonderful kulfi, and in case you plan to recreate the same, all my socials are listed below. I love you guys so much. See you soon with a brand new one. Bye bye.